Good morning. We're off on another appliance repair adventure today. I'm Mark again with the GuildUSA, and this is the chief engineer, Jacob. So we're off to a client today. We have a large apartment complex we have a contract with, and they give us tons of work. They give us 24 jobs to tackle this week. We're on the first one, and it's really kind of simple over there because every single apartment is all GE appliances, and they're all pretty much the same models. There's a little bit of variation. I think the first one this morning is not the stacked unit we typically do. It's a regular standalone washer, but the complaint is that it's filled with water and it's dead. It won't start or nothing, and it's sitting there filled with water. So we'll get down to it. Hopefully we'll get a little bit on film to show you maybe a diagnostic procedure. The adventure continues. The struggle is real. Go to GuildUSA.com. Get out and get it, people.
Beautiful morning, get out and get it.
There it is, 121.
Yeah, it's got power, it's dead board.
That was pretty straightforward. It was a nice old lady, a great adventure with her. But we showed up at the shop back, we got the water out of the tub on that GE. You know, it's a health hazard if you leave it in there. So you want to get it all. You don't want stagnant water in an old lady's house. So we got that out. You want to tell us what that was all about, Jacob?
Yeah, so the washer is just unresponsive, no lights, no beeps, nothing, and it looks like it stopped in the middle of a cycle if it's full of water. For whatever reason, you know, the board seems to be dead. We checked the outlet was given 120 volts. We checked the plug right before the board, so the whole plug was fine. We have 120 volts right at the board and just no responses. There wasn't anything obvious blown up on the board. Sometimes there's a pretty big explosion and it all makes sense. Didn't really look too hard to see it, but it's got power, it's unresponsive, it's gonna be the board.
There you heard it from the chief engineer right there. Bad board. So we're ordering a board, put it into the app. It automatically, when we add it to the estimate, it creates that estimate, sends it to the customer. They approve that estimate, and then the part goes right into the cart and gets ordered automatically. And then the customer's rebooking themselves according to the ETA of the part and the availability of the techs. We never had to write an estimate. We never had to write an invoice. We never have to trace down a part, wait for it to come in, connect it. It's all tied in. It's all automatic. Go to GuildUSA.com. Get out and get it, people.